Yeah, hi all. We'll quickly the available shortcuts that will enable you to do the trading fast, easiest way. And once you get some expertise, it will be very easy to use. So the first one that is drawing a horizontal line. Some of the things that I have made it favorite is so these are available here just like that. If you can make them favorite and it will add it to this list. Okay, so that is the easiest way. Those tools you are using on a regular basis, you can just add to favorites and those tools will be available here. So horizontal line, as you know, like draw the horizontal line, this is the way, right? Simplest way. So but for this the available shortcut is alt h. Okay, you can put a cursor somewhere here or here, whatever location you want, and press alt h. So that is the shortcut available for drawing the alt plus h. Is the shortcut available for drawing the horizontal line. Now then comes, like, sometimes it's okay that the horizontal line background, the history is important, but this is not necessarily always that we want a history, right? And sometimes I prefer to, like this is the first time it came, so I would prefer to start a horizontal line from here, which is not cutting the previous thing. So that is called as a horizontal ray. So this is kind of the horizontal ray starting from this point and continuation to the next, right? So to draw that, the available shortcut, let me draw it again something here. So to draw that, this is Alt J. Okay, so the shortcut to draw the horizontal ray, which will not start from the, which will not extend to the older values, is Alt J. Alt J will help you to draw the horizontal ray, and Alt H is to draw the horizontal line, right? It's easy. So that is how it goes, right? Any of the horizontal line is Alt H. Now, next is that even if you are drawing, sometime it happens that you pick up a trend line because you wanted to draw a trend line, and then you think that instead of trend line, it's better that I have been drawn a straight line here. So to do that, you just have to press a shift key. As soon as you press a shift key, it will turn exactly perpendicular and it will be a straight line. Easy, right? Whenever you want to draw any line, we have picked up trend line, but if we want to draw it, like pick a shift and then it will become a straight line. Shift and then you can leave it here. So that is the next thing. To draw a straight line from a trend line, you have to shift and then it becomes straight line. So that is another thing. Okay, easy. So the next is that, now let me cut this. I hope you are enjoying this video. This is very good input. So next is that if you want to start line and drawing from the higher of this candle, sometimes we need to go check the high value, then we will come here, draw a horizontal line and adjust it according to the high value, right? This happens, and most of the time you must have faced some scenarios like that. So now what happens, if you have a crosshair, you come here and you have the horizontal line or a ray. Okay, so you can come here and press a control. So press a control, it will automatically go to the top of that and it will draw from the top. Similarly, if you are here and if you want to draw from the bottom, you can press here. No, sorry, first you have to choose, then you come here, control. Sorry, this is within that, but if you are here, exactly. So control will give you to the bottom of this line. So that is the easiest way. So here also, yeah, so control is the key. If you hold within candle, it will draw like first close and then lowest, in the above highest and the nearest close. So this is like control key helps. And another one is uh, trend line with the shift. And then we have seen Alt H and Alt J, right? Now one more thing, that if you are trading, I usually prefer like high time frame to lower time frame. Okay. So usually we go on monthly we check if it is uptrend, then that's great. So here it shows that it's uptrend. We are looking at the Dow Jones chart, and it happens that monthly will draw some line like here. Okay, but it is, as it is a monthly, so we'll make some changes, right? Let's say monthly. So what I usually do, I make maintain monthly, it is black dotted, and this is monthly. Coming to the weekly chart. Okay, so sorry, here also we have to anchor this text so that it will not change the position. So once you come to the weekly, yeah, as of now it is following the same line, but along with that, I think the important is the previous low. So here also control, here also pick up this, it will right here, but in this case I will draw a straight line. Sorry, references. Okay, so here what I will write, weekly black, and once come to the daily. Okay, so there was intermediate resistance, as well as we could see that there is a very good resistance level intermediate here. So drawing here line here would be a sting. Similarly, the higher of this candles. But so what I will do, like it is a daily, so I will change the color. So what we have done on monthly resistance level is it dotted black, weekly resistance level this is black, and daily support or resistance level it is blue. So with the color we can mark the time frame, which time frame this support or resistance line is coming. The higher the time frame is, higher the probability. Means if the support is from monthly timeline and if that support is broken, then it's a high probability that market will go downwards. If it is a resistance that is successfully break by the current daily or weekly chart for the monthly straight line, then it is going to be a uptrend. Okay, that is the easiest way to remember. I hope you are enjoying this, and will wish to create more content. Let me know how you find this. Thank you.